Hi, I am Dr. Devorsijan, as a consultant biostatistician and epidemiologist.
Today we are talking about one of the most common research mistakes, using the wrong statistical tests. This single error can completely invalidate your results. Let's break it down. Choosing the wrong statistical test means applying a test that doesn't match your data type or study objective. For example, using a t-test when your data isn't normally distributed, using chi-square for small sample sizes, or using Pearson correlation when your variables are categorical. When you apply an incorrect statistical test, several things can go wrong. False results. You may conclude there's a significant effect when there isn't, or miss a real effect. Reviewer rejection. Journals often spot mismatched tests immediately. Misleading conclusions, wrong public health or clinical decisions may follow. To choose the right statistical test, follow these steps. Identify your variable type, check your data distribution, understand your comparison. The correct statistical test strengthens your study's credibility and helps you reach accurate conclusions. So take time to understand your data and pick the right test before you begin analysis. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.